Intro. Hi there and welcome to this video on investing for beginners. If you're new to investing or just looking to brush up on the basics, this video is for you. Investing can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing, from stocks and bonds to real estate and more. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. What is investing? Investing is the act of allocating money into various assets with the expectation of generating a profit. There are many types of investments, but the two main categories are stocks and bonds. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for growth, while bonds are essentially loans to companies or government entities and offer a set return on investment. Why invest? So why should you invest your money? The main reason is to build wealth over time. Investing allows you to take advantage of compound interest, which means your returns can grow exponentially over time. This can help you reach your financial goals faster and more efficiently than if you just left your money in a savings account. Risks and rewards. Of course, investing always comes with risks. The stock market can be volatile, and there's always the possibility of losing money. However, the potential rewards are significant, and over the long term, stocks have historically offered higher returns than other investment options. That being said, it's important to understand the risks involved and to have a well-diversified portfolio to minimize your exposure to any one particular risk. Diversification. Speaking of diversification, it's a key component of any investment strategy. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments, so that if one investment performs poorly, the others can help cushion the blow. This can help you minimize risk and increase the potential for long-term growth. Getting started. So, how do you get started with investing? The first step is to determine your financial goals and to understand your risk tolerance. From there, you'll want to create a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. This can be done through individual stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or a combination of these options. The importance of patience. One final point to keep in mind is the importance of patience. Investing is a long-term strategy, and it's important not to get too caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on building a strong portfolio and sticking to your investment plan, even when the market is down. With time, your investments should grow and help you reach your financial goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing can seem daunting, but with a little knowledge and patience, anyone can get started on the path to building wealth. Whether you're looking to save for retirement, a down payment on a house, or something else entirely, investing can help you reach your financial goals faster. So what are you waiting for? Start investing today. Outro. Thanks for watching this video on investing for beginners. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, be sure to leave a comment below. And as always, happy investing!